I'm so excited to be here today with the incredible Dr. Zara to talk about something every bride wants: flawless, radiant skin for their big day. So come with me. Hi, doctor. Hi, doctor. Oh my gosh, so good to see you.
Same here.
How are you doing?
Very well.
So, doctor, my brides keep on asking me, what kind of treatments, and a lot of people, they have a lot of under eye fine lines, and they want a flawless skin, So, of course, makeup is important, but skincare is equally important. So, what kind of treatments? I do suggest them Hydra facial and under eye booster, but why don't? What can we explain it more? How do we go more deeper and recommend these are the 5 or 6 treatment a bride must go for?
Okay, so first of all, before we get into the details of the treatment, let's talk about the problems that the brides
Right.
face. So there's anxiety, there's stress before the wedding, there's lack of sleep, there's so much wedding planning going on. So there's a lot basically
Right.
going on,
Yeah.
because of which even a bride who has good skin otherwise starts having problems in her skin.
Right, they get so many acne problems.
Exactly. So before the wedding, there's generally acne. Now, what is the acne related to? Stress. Your stress receptors are directly, the end receptors are on your skin. So when you stress out, your cortisol levels are high,
Right.
your glands produce more oil, and you end up getting acne. That's the science behind this.
Okay.
So now these are all common concerns, but the good news is all of these can be tackled with good treatments, and we have a solution to everything. So
Lovely.
I love advising a few treatments to brides. Like, these are my favorite few. We'll make you try all of them.
Okay, lovely.
And my top would be, I love to do the Pico laser for my brides.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
That's
too.
your
I've seen
favorite
an
too.
incredible result because I remember having a lot of pigmentation, and over a
Period of time, it's
Yes,
gotten so
yes.
much better. So your skin transformation has been fabulous.
Yeah,
You're
all thanks
like,
to you.
You're like an example for us that it's not about 1 or 2 treatments. You have to
Right.
consistently take care of your skin.
Right.
So I'll just go off topic right now, and I'll just explain to everyone listening today that skincare is not like you just do it once and you get good skin. It's consistent.
Right.
It's basically doing something consistently over a long period of time.
Yeah.
It's basically like brushing your teeth. No matter how well you brush today, you have to brush tomorrow. So it's basically like a lifestyle, taking care of your skin. Now, coming back to the problems that brides face and their treatments, Pico laser is fabulous for pigmentation, which Indians generally face. It's fabulous for PIH. PIH is basically the marks that acne leave behind.
Okay.
And Pico is also great for acne itself. So I love to do this treatment. There's Hydra facial, which hydrates the skin and gives you that good glow.
Right.
My current favorite is the Forma. We also did the Forma
Yeah.
for you last. How did you find it?
Oh my god, like I feel my skin is looking more like my face look more snatched. I feel like, and it's glowing, it's very shiny even, and right now also I'm wearing like very little concealer and you can see the shine. So I feel like my skin has turned into a baby skin.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah.
So what we did is basically we paired the Forma with a nice peel for you.
Oh.
So we did a power peptide peel, and then we did the Forma. So the Forma is basically RF energy,
Okay.
which goes into the deep dermal and the subdermal tissues of your skin and tightens up your skin.
Okay.
That's the reason you're feeling snatched. The power peptides, the peptide peel has peptides, so that
Right.
has also helped your skin look finished, and the way it's shining right now.
Yeah.
So this is basically what worked for the.
I have a question,
Treatment.
doctor. So a lot of my brides come and tell me, Kajol, I have a very sensitive skin. I don't want to go to dermat, and even if I go, even I can't. I've never got a facial done. So even these treatments can be done. तभी भी हो सकता है.
Generally, someone who said that my skin is sensitive
Yeah.
has done some wrong treatment or used some wrong product,
Absolutely right. Yeah.
and their skin has reacted to that, which is
Okay.
obvious, and they start labeling their own skin as sensitive.
Okay.
So sensitive is basically now a very commonly used
Loosely
word.
used,
Yeah,
yeah.
very loosely used. कि मुझे इससे reaction हो गया, so my skin is sensitive. No, it's not like that. When you're going to use the right product, when your skin is analyzed well,
Right.
and you're going to use the right product, and you're going to do the right treatment, your skin is not going to react.
And when they're coming to right doctor.
So you have to do the right thing for your skin, and your skin is going to appreciate it. Your skin is going to show results.
Right.
And sensitive skin is not a term which can be used so loosely. Not everyone has sensitive skin, and there are few treatments which easily even people with actually sensitive skin can do and can reap the benefits.
Got it.
One treatment like this is a Hydra facial.
Yeah.
Then we have facials which are particularly directed towards sensitive skin. We do it only for people who have sensitive skin.
Got
So
it.
we can definitely do that as well. So for you, what I've decided for you today is we're going to do a Hydra facial.
Oh, lovely.
Along with that, for your face, we're doing the Forma tightening. Your second session is due, and we can club the Hydra facial and the Forma together. So let's do that today.
Lovely.
Along with that, since you told me that you're having a little bit of hair fall, we're going to do hair exosomes for you.
It's not painful, no?
No. It's not painful at all.
Is it invasive?
We'll be micro needling it.
Acha.
Very less painful, absolutely safe to do, and exosomes are currently my favorite. Very good scientific research to back it, and they're doing very well for hair fall as well. So we can do hair exosomes for you, and along with that, we're gonna do the IV glutathione for you, and IV fat loss drip.
Okay, lovely.
And that's about it.
Do you think under eye boosters are required?
Oh yes, you're due for your second session of under eye boosters also, so we'll do that.
That's my favorite because I love it. So, but doctor, do you think all these treatments can we do in one day?
Absolutely. There is no problem at all.
Okay.
None of these treatments are clashing with each other. The IV glutathione is going to go parallelly. Then there's hair exosomes. There's for the face.
So I can recommend my brides also all this in one go, and they can do it. These are like mandate.
Yeah. So basically, for your bride, definitely it's going to be customized. It's of course not a one size fit all approach. So we can see what they need. But all of these treatments are safe and can be done.
Lovely. Let's go. You.
So what we've done for Kajol right now is a Hydra facial. It's a multi-step, non-invasive facial which targets concerns like pigmentation, dry skin, dehydrated skin. We do different steps to target different concerns depending upon the skin type. So for Kajol, basically what we did is we did a cleansing, then we did steam and exfoliation just to exfoliate the top dead skin. Then we did infusion. For Kajol, I particularly chose a serum of hyaluronic acid and peptide just to give her that dewy look to her skin. And we do this with a massage. We also do ultrasonic penetration of products. So now for Kajol, we penetrated antioxidants into her skin, which is again going to help her with her pigmentation and giving her a dewy look. So for Kajol, what we mainly concentrate on is the fact that Kajol is a high performer. Her skin also gets stressed out. She also has to wear makeup regularly. So depending upon these concerns, we target concerns for Kajol, and then we do the treatment accordingly. We incorporate steps accordingly. Now generally the Hydra facial is done with an LED light and a mask also, but for Kajol today we're going to do the Forma also, which is basically the RF skin tightening. So we'll do the mask and the LED light after we're done with 30 minutes of the Forma. Now, a very common question: if I am a bride, am I a good candidate for the Hydra facial? When should I get it done? How many sessions do I need? Everyone is a candidate for Hydra facial because this is a very basic facial targeting concerns as per skin type. Now, someone, like we spoke about before, even if someone has sensitive skin, someone has dry skin, someone has pigmented skin, we tailor make this facial as per their skin's needs, and we do this. So, practically everyone is a candidate. We just have to make subtle tweaks in our protocol and do the facial accordingly. Now coming down to how many sessions. Now a lot of people think that one session can treat everything. That's not fair. Any form of treatment or skincare needs time to work. So I ideally say minimum 4 sessions, and the best time for a bride to start with prepping her skin, doing everything, in my opinion, and as per the treatments, is generally 6 months. That much amount of time is needed. So if you're looking at starting a bridal treatment 6 months before your wedding day is a good time to start. Also, I don't like to experiment much just before the wedding. So I would want to do one session of the Hydra facial before and then repeat one before the wedding, because I like to be super safe with brides. It's their big day, they are the center of attraction. I want everything to just be perfect for them. So I do not want to experiment, and I like the brides to start a little prior. Now what we are doing now for Kajol is the Forma skin tightening. This is like a Beverly Hills red carpet facial by all Hollywood stars. It's basically a form of RF. RF stands for radio frequency. It goes down to the deep dermal and subdermal tissue of your skin, causes collagen remodeling, improves elasticity, and hence tightens up your skin. So if you want your face to look more snatched, tighter, even get rid of the submental fat, which we in lay terms call double chin, then the Forma is a fabulous treatment. Now this treatment can even be done 3 or 4 days before the wedding by a bride. So we started the Forma for Kajol. Kajol, how does it feel?
Feels like warm light.
Okay. So the thing with Forma is that it's absolutely painless, just feels like a comforting warm massage, and stimulates collagen, improves elasticity of skin, gives you that nice contoured snatch look. Can be done by everyone. So while we are only speaking about brides now, this is a great treatment for the brides and the groom's moms also. For skin tightening. Since at that age, everyone can do with a little bit of tightening, works very well.
This sounds like a game.
It does. Sounds like a video game.
How frequently can we do this?
So we advise a session once in a week, and we can do 4 sessions for best results.
In 1 month?
Yeah, in 1 month. Lovely results. Kajol already has a well contoured face. So just going to add on to the look. So now what we're doing is hair exosomes. So we're micro needling these exosomes. So what Ranjana is doing for me is she's just putting them onto the scalp, and I am micro needling them, and I'm putting them at a depth I'm inserting them into the layer of the scalp. So micro needling stimulates the follicles along with exosomes. Exosomes are regenerative. This stops hair fall, this initiates new hair growth, and is a fabulous treatment for anyone experiencing hair thinning or hair fall. Kajol, is this painful?
Not at
So
all.
we've applied no numbing cream for Kajol. We're micro needling. It's technically a painless procedure.
So all my brides definitely should go for it.
Anyone facing hair thinning, hair fall can definitely consider doing hair exosomes.
And what is the result? Like how much time does it take?
So we advise 4 sessions, spaced on a gap of a month.
And how many sessions will show good result?
See, it depends upon the degree of hair thinning. It depends upon how much volume loss has been there. It depends upon what sort of hair fall the patient is having. Also, underlying conditions. Along with this, we also give nutritional supplements. We also advise patients to increase the protein intake in their diet. And so it's like the approach has to be multi-pronged. So diet, there's a little bit of supplementation, and then of course, this treatment does very well.
Blood आता है क्या?
No. I mean, the end point is we need to see pinpoint bleeding.
अच्छा.
Little bit, but it's... In fact, I'm doing it at a good depth also for you.
अच्छा. So blood is coming.
No. I mean, it's pinpoint, yeah. Redness is there, bleeding is there, pinpoint, that's about it.
But not like. But will you suggest PRP or this?
Very good question. For some people, so it depends upon the sort of hair thinning and hair fall the patient is having. Also, for some people, I do like combination treatment. So we do 2 sessions of GFC, which is growth factor concentrate PRP, and 2 sessions we do of exosomes. So we alternate them. Okay, so now we've done the under eye booster for Kajol. I like to do the booster whenever I'm injecting. I inject it on the eyelid as well as in the under eye area. This booster is basically a concoction of hyaluronic acid, glutathione, minerals, peptides, and other such ingredients. This boosts collagen in the under eye area, and it stimulates collagen production, evens out the area, brightens it up. So for anyone who is not up for doing Botox and fillers, this is a very good procedure, which is basically boosting the collagen, making the under eye look better without any Botox or fillers. Now Kajol is someone who is not ready for Botox fillers. Also, she doesn't need it. I don't recommend her that. She's someone who wants to go for an approach which is more regenerative and rejuvenation. So, and hence we've decided on doing the boosters for her. She has mild swelling wherever we've injected, if you look closely. And this swelling is going to subside in the next 2 to 3 hours at tops. And that's about it. Okay, so right now it's looking swollen, but once it settles, it's going to look really nice.
Thank you, doctor. I already feel so rejuvenated and I can't wait for my afternoon.
You're most welcome.
But
You're
thank
most
you
welcome.
so much.
Always. Anything for you, anytime for you. And now your post-care instructions. Application of sunscreen diligently. No washing your face with face wash today.
Okay.
Lots of moisturizer over the next few days.
Okay.
That's about it.